Hi, Wyatt. Hi, Rowan. It's your Uncle Jeremy, and I have a friend with me today. His name is Fred. He's a monkey. Hi, Fred. How are you? I'm good. Hi, Wyatt. Hi, Rowan. This is my special friend. He'd like to come and see you someday. Yes, I would. I want to see Boy Boy. I want to see Roro. Hey, that's not the sound monkeys make. No. Meow, meow. No, Fred. That's not the sound monkeys make. Try it again. Moo. Moo. Fred. Fred. That is not what sound monkeys make. Try one more time, and that's it. Okay, you ready, Fred? On the count of three. 1, 2, 3. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Fred, I'm getting frustrated with you. Be a good little monkey and make the sound monkeys make. Okay. Good boy, Fred. Good boy. You're a monkey. Meow. 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 Fred? Okay. Say goodbye to Wyatt and Rowan, okay? Okay. Bye, Wyatt. Bye, Rowan. Meow. Meow.